Imagine a spice blend so complex it can contain up to 40 different ingredients. Today, we explore Ras el Hanout, the head of the shops that defines Moroccan cuisine. Ras el Hanout, or Ras el Hanout, or Ras el Hanout, translates literally to head of the grocery store. Historically, this name signifies the finest selection a merchant offers, representing the absolute best spices available in North African markets. While you might find variations in Tunisia and Algeria, this blend is most famously linked to Morocco. It is a pungent, earthy mix that uniquely balances sweet, bitter, and floral notes all at once. The complexity lies in its variability. On average, a Ras el Hanout blend contains about 12 different spices, but expert merchants can customize it, with 40 or more ingredients to create their signature flavor profile. Common core ingredients include ground cumin, ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, coriander, and pepper. This specific combination is what takes center stage when marinating meats for the iconic Moroccan tagine dish. It is important to note that Ras el Hanout is not interchangeable with other terms. Morocco also utilizes chermoula, a wet herb paste, and harissa, a chili paste, which serve different culinary purposes than this dry spice mix. Ultimately, Ras el Hanout is an integral part of the culinary traditions across North Africa. It represents a customizable art form where the merchant's selection defines the soul of the dish. Now you know why this blend is called the head of the shop. Have you ever tried making a Moroccan tagine at home? Let us know your favorite spice in the comments below.